Ever wondered how a single negative search result could impact your entire career or personal life? Your online reputation is more fragile than you think. Online reputation management, or ORM, is your shield against the digital world's harsh judgments. It's all about promoting the good and minimizing the bad. Imagine losing a job opportunity because of a negative Google search result. ORM is crucial for your professional and personal success. LinkedIn isn't just for networking. It's a powerful tool to push down negative content by showcasing your professional achievements. Publishing high-quality articles on Medium can demonstrate your expertise and boost positive content in search results. Answering questions on Quora can establish you as an expert in your field, improving your search engine ranking. Active participation in Reddit communities can create positive associations with your name or brand. A personal blog allows you to control your narrative. Regular updates with valuable content can significantly impact search results. Press releases on sites like PR Web can generate positive news articles that appear high in search results. Creating a YouTube channel with valuable video content can enhance your online presence and rank well in Google search results.